Very good morning to everyone, to all the participants who have registered for this Movement 73 of Fitness Carnival. We will be having first an induction session. So a very restricted half an hour session for the inaugural, where we'll be having the induction session. So I'll just start with the famous quote. Alone I can say, but together we can talk. Alone I can smile, but together we can laugh. Alone I can enjoy, but together we can celebrate. And here we are to celebrate this historic moment, this festival of health and fitness, Movement 73. I am extremely happy and delighted to share with you that we have more than 1800 registrations from across 18 states of the country with more than 122 cities participating. Thank you so much for this overwhelming response. Our team is working tirelessly day in and day out to make sure that the entire movement goes on smoothly and becomes an enriching experience for each one of us. But I would also like to ensure you that any issue relating to health or fitness, we also have our fitness experts with us who can guide you. Now I will just quickly take you through the important points. Sure.
कोई तो फंक्शन जो डिग्निटरी करेगा डिग्निटरी मूवमेंट
So we have also received a lot of questions from the participants which we have compiled, and we will try to answer in this election session. So first of all, as we said, you can see the list of branches that have joined us. So I would like to thank all the 11 branches of Gujarat and the Goa branch, Faridabad branch, and Guwahati branch who have joined us for this momentous health event. You can see the number of branches who have joined us. Also, special thanks to our brand ambassador, Shri Sangram Singh Ji, who is going to speak today again and address all of us, and also to Sapna Vyas, our fitness ambassador. Very happy to share that we have also been allowed to use the Fit India logo. We got an approval for that. And thank you to our radio partners, Red FM 93.5, and to our fitness partners, event partners, the fitness experts, and Fitformance. And also special thanks to Nimba Nature Care, who is also our event partner. Yeah, so these are the activities. Now everybody has this question that what activities and what are we going to do in this entire Movement 73? And we got so many calls regarding that. So let us keep it very simple. What I'm going to do first of all is tell you the things that we are going to do in the movement every day. And then we have a few frequently asked questions which we got repeatedly since last 15 days. And we will take you through those questions. So first and foremost, the most important question that everybody has is why 73? So let me first clarify. This year on 1st of July, we are going to celebrate the 73rd CA Day. Hence, we are going to have a Movement 73. And we will, starting from today, from 18th of April till 29th of June, for 73 days, we all will be having some of the other sessions on health and fitness. So that on 1st of July, when we celebrate our CA Day, we all are healthy. Now, the event that we're going to have, I think we will, at the end of today's session, after Sangram Singh's speech, I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the entire 73 day on day-by-day basis. But before that, let me give you a glimpse. So every morning, starting from tomorrow morning, 7 to 8 a.m., we will be having a live session on Zoom. Live session, like you have seen, we will be having aerobics, Zumba, workout, different sessions on Zoom. So every day is designated for a specific activity. For example, tomorrow is Monday. So Monday morning, 7 to 8, you will be getting a login for Zoom. And you, from your respective places, since it's a virtually organized fitness carnival, from your respective places, you will have to, you can join the Zumba session. So Monday is a Zumba session. Now Tuesdays and Thursdays are specific days for senior citizens. And in those days, we are going to have some special exercises for senior citizens. So it is not that like we cannot join it, but we also can join it, but they are specifically for senior citizens. So Monday is a Zumba 7 to 8. Tuesday is a senior citizen day. Now Wednesday is Tabata. Now Tabata is a very high intense workout. Again, anybody can join that also, 7 to 8 in the morning. Thursday, as I said, again is a senior citizen, 7 to 8 in the morning. Friday, 7 to 8, we have a special yoga session. And that yoga session and meditation session is open for all. So anybody can join those Friday sessions. Saturday morning, again 7 to 8, we have a fitness workout session, wherein we will be having some lunges, some different kind of fitness workouts, which will not be covered in the earlier 5 days. So this schedule from Monday to Saturday, I repeat again, Monday will be Zumba, Tuesday will be senior citizens exercises, Wednesday will be Tabata, Thursday will be senior citizens, Friday will be yoga, and Saturday will be fitness workout. This 6-day schedule is going to remain the same throughout the 73-day schedule. So this clarifies a lot of your doubts that हम लोग करेंगे क्या. तो हम लोग हर week 1 घंटा हम निकालेंगे अपने busy schedule में से 7 to 8, and we will all work out together in the morning. Now, second question comes in, what if I miss my schedule? I have travel schedules, I have my different work schedules. In that case, be rest assured you will be given recorded sessions. So in case you miss a particular day, you will be getting the recorded sessions on a frequency, but we will share all the recorded sessions, so need not worry. The third question that comes in is, have I to be active all 73 days? The answer is, we would want you to be active, but even if you are not, it is just an initiative that you have to take and make sure that as many days you can participate, it will be good for us. Apart from this, we have some weekly challenges. Now I am coming one by one. First, we discuss about the entire week. Then we have weekly challenges. Now it is a very, very important concept to understand. What we have thought is, we'll be giving you some challenges. For example, let's say 1 week is a no sugar week. Now, if we give you, let's say the next upcoming week or the week thereafter is a no sugar week. In that case, what are you expected? We will be giving you options that if not sugar, what you can have. For example, if you cannot have a tea with a sugar, you can use jaggery. So we will give you options on your day-to-day basis how you can try to replace sugar with other options with a healthy. So that no sugar week will be an entire challenge. So that week you can try to change your lifestyle, try to have different things as per the challenges. Now again, the question comes in, is it compulsory? The answer is no. Nobody stops you from drinking a sugar tea. But this is a challenge that you have to take it. And if you get okay with it, you're comfortable with, next week you can continue even for weeks ahead. So that challenges we are going to have. For these challenges, there are no winners. It is just a change in the lifestyle that we want you to experience. There will be an intermittent fasting week. So these challenges will be declared on the Sunday preceding the week. For example, next week is certain challenge. This week on Sunday, we will declare that there is the certain challenges coming up. We will give you the entire write-up, the to-do notes for the challenges, and accordingly you can take that. We will be having an intermittent fasting challenge wherein you will be expected to eat maybe before 6:30, have a 16 hours of gap. We will be having no outside food week challenge. There are very interesting challenges coming up, which will basically give us an insight of how we can make a change in our lifestyle. So this schedule that is on the screen, which covers a lot of activities, at the end of, as I said again, at the end, I will be giving you a day-wise walkthrough of the different sessions. Now, apart from the weekly schedule, apart from the challenges, every Sunday, we will be having 2 very special sessions. Sunday morning for 2 hours, we are going to meet. Again, it is not compulsory, but again, I'll say it is advisory. What we will do is, we will do 1 hour of activity. It can be a Zumba, a yoga, a dance bhangra workout, something which is exceptionally good from the experts. And the experts may be anywhere in the country. So we are trying to get the best experts on board. The second hour after the activity, we are going to have a doctor's talk, a nutritionist talk, a dietitian coming in and telling you and guiding on things, maybe a surgeon, a heart surgeon, something on the COVID, how to take care. So all these doctor and talk sessions are in the second half of the session on Sunday. So Sunday again for 2 hours are going to be very important. Again, if you miss it because of any reason, we will be giving you the recording. So don't worry for that. Just a minute. Next slide. Yeah. So before I go on to the further things, my again special thanks to all the branches who have joined us. It takes all the branches have shown the keen interest, and they have also widely publicized this movement at their respective places. So my special thanks to all the branch chairmen. I will definitely would want to wish each of them for taking this initiative, and I'm sure we all together will be able to do amazing movement 73. Now, there are certain very special people who are associated with this movement. So again, the question comes in that, before I take on to this, what about the WhatsApp groups? I have not been added to any WhatsApp group. I have filled in the Google form. Still, I have not been entered. I just have a humble request from all of us here that this is more than 1800 registrations. It is very difficult to have a one-to-one tracking, though we have a very strong IT team who are continuously adding members. In case you are not added, you have our numbers. We will share our numbers to you and our IT team also. you can tell them and we will immediately add you to the groups. So as of now, we just have 6 or 7 WhatsApp groups for sending the information. They are called information groups. We have made different groups for cycling and running, but we will come later on that basis. So 6 or 7 WhatsApp groups. In case you are not added to any of the group, we will make sure that in the coming few days, you will all will be added in the WhatsApp groups. So now there are certain, as I said, in this movement, we have 2 very important fitness partners. The first is CA Jitendra Dave and his entire team, the fitness experts. So for the BCA test, the fitness test, and even for answering your queries, all these 3 people will be on board. They are added in all the groups. And believe me, friends, they are working day in and day out to answer all your queries. Even till now, we have done 250 around BCA tests, and they have been phenomenal in their work. So I'm just sharing. Yeah, these are the our experts who are, and Jitendra Dave is a chartered accountant, and he has 2 team members also who will be helping us in the process. Now, yeah. So CA Mrunal Ved again from Fitformance. He's a chartered accountant, and I must say that when we had this first thought of having Movement 73 somewhere in mid of February, I met Mrunal, and together we put it on a lot of points on how to take it forward. So Mrunal, a big thanks to you for sharing this journey from day one. And he's also be there in all the groups, in all the WhatsApp groups, and also the fitness groups, even the running and cycling groups. So you can contact him for any query. Yeah. So now coming to another very important aspect of this movement. So we discuss the weekly activities. Every day, 1 hour we can take out for the activities, depending upon which one you want to participate. Second, Sunday talks we discuss weekly challenges. Then we have this very, very special running and cycling and walking groups. So by the groups, I mean that, everybody, what we want is, our motto is not to make you a winner here. Our motto is to make you participate in these groups. So let's say you want to basically start walking and running, or maybe start cycling. So you can join these groups. In each and every group, there are team leaders. Now I'll just explain you the concept of that. So you must be wondering what are these names. So Star Walkers, Fast and Furious, Super Pacers, Road Scalers. These are all movers and burners. These are the 5 teams for running and walking. And hence there'll be 5 WhatsApp groups individually consisting of 200 members, participants each. So 5 WhatsApp groups for these running and walking. In each WhatsApp group, you can see there are 2 team leaders. You can see the names. For example, on the Star Walkers, we have Devananji and Sohil as a team leaders. So every team has minimum 2 team leaders, and obviously we all will be added in the group, plus the fitness experts that I just introduced to you. All will be there in each group. The purpose of this group is to make you start moving. If you are not, you are just sitting at home, let us get up and start moving. So what we are going to do in this group, the team leaders will take up the responsibility. They will motivate all of you. So maybe we all at our own respective places. It's a virtual thing. At your own places, you can start walking, start running, start jogging, start cycling. Send your photos. Record your photos on an app. Let's say a Strava app or a Fitbit app, whatever app you're using. Share the screenshots. Let other people get motivated that you are moving. And we want every day, we all will be posting our photos also, but we want you all to get involved and post whatever activity you do in those groups. So if you are fond of running, walking, do that. If you're fond of cycling, do that. If you have any query relating to that particular activity, our team leaders will be there to guide you. Our fitness experts will be there to guide you. Be it related to injury, even basic questions, you are absolutely free to ask them. And the team leaders are doing, again, a phenomenal job. They have made detailed rules for each and every activity, which will be shared in the respective groups. Yeah, so again, as I said, for the running, this is for the cycling. So M73, On Spree, Pedal Powers, Freewheelers, these are all the 5 groups for cycling. So we have received more than 600, 700 registrations for the cycling event. So we'll be having 150 to 200 members group each. Again, 2 dedicated team leaders for cycling. And I'll just want to, I don't have a time, but I'll just say that all the members who are basically team leaders in the particular group, they all are, they have achieved something in the sports as well. They are chartered accountants, but somebody is an Ironman, half Ironman, a super athlete. So they have mastery in their own fields. So hence they will be able to guide you in a most systematic manner. So these are the contact details. So what we have done is all these details, I'm going to share it in the WhatsApp group for you. These are the contact details of all the team leaders. please make sure that you bother only the team leader, which is allotted to you, and not the other team leader. And plus the contact details of all the members who are associated. In case you have any doubt, we are always there and always available to help you. Yeah, a few frequently asked questions which were left. I'll just take the ones which were left. So why 73 we have discussed already. Is it compulsory to be active? As I said, it is advisory to be active all 73 days. Even if you are not, it is absolutely fine. What if I miss some sessions? As I said, even if you miss some sessions, it is absolutely fine. You need not worry. Okay, what is a BCA test? Now, this is a common question that everybody told me, asked me, what is a BCA test and fitness test? What if we are outside Ahmedabad? How are we going to take that test? Even if you are in Ahmedabad, we are not arranging right now. What is the future for it? So I just going to answer one thing, that for fitness test, obviously for Ahmedabad-based members, we are going to conduct a physical BCA and a fitness test at the branch. Before, let's say 10th of April, we already have 250 to 300 members already done their BCA test, got the BCA report, and they're already working on the personalized workout card. Because of the rise in cases, we have halted that activity as of now. Maybe after 25th April, we are going to restart it at the branch. So at those who are based at Ahmedabad, they can definitely come down when the activity starts and get the BCA fitness report and the personalized workout card done. Now, those who are outside Ahmedabad, and especially those who are in Ahmedabad but cannot come because of any reason, we are also giving you an option wherein you have to send certain details on the WhatsApp. So we have a dedicated WhatsApp number here. I would request you, I will again float these details in the group, put these details in a WhatsApp number. The team from fitness experts, they will call you. And believe me, friends, they have been calling people, and 15 to 20, half an hour consultation they are giving online. So they will be basically answering all your questions. They will be getting your BMI done, and they will also be sending you the personalized workout card. So those who are not here physically with us, you can send the details on the WhatsApp and everything will be done the same manner. Will it be physically at branch? As I said, it's a virtually organized fitness carnival. So no activity physically at the branch as of now. So again, I said, will I be able to do if I'm based outside Ahmedabad? Obviously, yes. I'm very happy to share. When I say 18 states of the country and 122 cities, I should also say that we have around 10 to 12 registrations from outside the country. So we have Mauritius, Sweden, Australia, people also participating in this movement 73. Just a minute. Yeah, only for CAs and students, the answer is again no. It is for chartered accountants, students, family members, non-CAs, anyone and everyone who wants to take care of their health can join this movement. It's absolutely open to all. So regarding how are you going to track the weight loss? Now, again, a very important thing, whatever we do, see, we always believe in that whatever gets measured gets managed. So when I say this, every activity of yours will be tracked. We are soon coming up with a special app for Movement 73. And in those apps, in that app, we are going to capture your weight, capture your daily activities, whatever cycling you've done on a daily basis, everything will be captured there. And based on that, weekly prizes will be given to everybody and weekly acknowledgements will be given to all. That app is in process. So maybe by early next week, we are going to be out with the app as well. Okay, now next question comes in. As I said, the WhatsApp groups, we have formed the WhatsApp groups for information activity. Even for the WhatsApp groups for the running, cycling, today we are going to finalize it, and today you will be added in those groups. In case you are not added, another question comes in that if I'm in a running group, can I come in a cycling group? Obviously, yes. There is no competition. You can be in multiple groups and you can take part in multiple activities. Okay, so this is done. I will not be added again. Running, cycling, you can be in any activity. So we are also going to share you the to-dos and to-do nots for running and cycling, even for Zumba, aerobics, yoga, everything. We have the to-do list. We'll be sharing it to you in the group. For Google form, I think it is very important that those who are yet to fill in the Google form, we'll have to.
Both Honorable President and Vice President have joined, Harit Bhai. So we can start the inaugural session.
So we are very, very happy to welcome our Honorable President of ICAI, CA Niyar Jambusaria sir, and Honorable Vice President of ICAI, CA Debashish Mitra sir, who has joined us, and even Manish Gadia ji, WRC Chairman, has joined us. Welcome, sir. So we were just going through the induction session. The rest details will be taken over once we get through the inaugural session. So let us now start the inaugural session at the earliest. I would request Anjali Ben to please take it forward.
आधा घंटा रोज यही है कहना अपने आप को हमें रोज. These golden words will keep us moving for 73 days to cultivate a lifestyle change in us. Welcoming President C.R. Jambuzaria ji, Vice President C.A. Dr. Debashish Mitra, Central Council Member C.A. Aniket Talati, WRC Chairman C.A. Manish Gadia, Girish Ahuja sir, okay. Welcoming President C.A. Nihar Jambuzaria ji, Vice President C.A. Dr. Debashish Mitra, Central Council Member C.A. Aniket Talati, WRC Chairman C.A. Manish Gadia ji, RCM C.A. Chintan Patel, C.A. Hitesh Pomal, C.A. Vikas Jain, Chairman of all 14 branches, C.A. Hardik Patel from Anand, C.A. Akshar Mehta Bharuch, C.A. Ramesh Pindolia Bhuj, C.A. Jainish Patel Gandhidham, C.A. Dhaval Shah Jamnagar, C.A. Hardik Vyas Rajkot, C.A. Vinod Pelwani Baroda, C.A. Adish Rokadia Bhavnagar, C.A. Jitendra Chawla Faridabad, C.A. Pradeep Katkokar Goa, C.A. Sohil Memon Navsari, C.A. Vinayak Bafna Vapi, C.A. Naveen Jain Surat. Brand ambassadors for today, Shri Sangram Singh, Sapna Vyas, our fitness experts C.A. Mrunal Ved and C.A. Jitendra Dave and team, all our 14 team leaders, our sponsors, media team, and lastly, our participants, more than 1,600 participants across 16 states and 122 cities and 3 countries. A very, very big welcome to all of you. Welcome to this fitness movement and fitness carnival. It's a carnival because we all are going to cultivate a lifestyle change with fun and easy activities. With these words, I once again welcome you all and request Chairman Ahmedabad branch C.A. Harit Dhariwal to give welcome address.
Respected President of our institute, Shri Nihar Jambuzaria ji, Vice President of our institute, Shri Debashish Mitra ji, Central Council Member from Ahmedabad, C.A. Aniket Talati, WRC Chairman, C.A. Manish Gadia ji, our team at Ahmedabad branch, C.A. Bishan Shah, the Vice Chairman, Anjali Ben Choksi, our Secretary, Sunil Bhai Sangvi, Treasurer, C.A. Fanil Shah, immediate past Chairman, C.A. Ganesh Nadar, and C.A. Rahul Maliwal, Managing Committee members, our regional council members, C.A. Vikas Jain, C.A. Chintan Patel, and C.A. Hitesh Pomal, chairman and managing committee members of all 14 branches that have joined us for this movement, the core committee members of Movement 73, the team leaders, student associations, and above all, my dear participants. A very, very good morning to all. Thank you all for being here for this momentous occasion. It fills my heart with joy unspeakable as I rise in response to a very warm and cordial welcome from all of you. We are honored today to have the President and Vice President of ICAI join us for this historic moment. ICAI is the second largest professional body of chartered accountants in the world, with a strong tradition of service to the Indian economy in public interest. Ahmedabad branch of WRC of ICAI is the second largest branch in the country, with more than 12,800 members and 30,000 students. Before I go on to the Movement 73, I would like to mention that even in this pandemic,
ICAI, under the strong leadership of our beloved president, is leaving no stone unturned to see that members and public at large are taken care of. We at Ahmedabad branch have also taken a few important measures, and I would especially like to highlight them. Starting from 15th of March till date, we have had 7 vaccination drives for our members and their family members, and more than 1,500 members have been vaccinated so far at our branch. With the rising number of COVID cases in the city, we have also started an initiative for those CAs, students, and family members, and even non-CAs who are quarantined due to COVID, where food is delivered at their doorstep. Last Sunday, we had launched this initiative, and in just 6 days, we have had more than 742 meals being served daily and across the city of Ahmedabad. And I would urge anyone in need of this facility to take the utmost benefit of this. Sir, the theme that we have chosen for this year revolves around the 4 letters of ICAI, which we are very proud of, and that is I for ideation, C for collaboration, A for adaptability, and I for innovation. And Movement 73 fits in the theme for all in all aspects. It is a novel idea that took us more than 2 months to develop into a movement. We have collaborated with more than 14 branches of ICAI across the country to make us all adaptable to the new normal and adapt to a healthy lifestyle. And of course, we will do our movement in the most innovative manner. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted by the United Nations member states, provides a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and the planet. At its heart are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which are an urgent call for action by all countries. One such Sustainable Development Goal is good health and well-being. With COVID around, we at Ahmedabad branch has come up with this unique mega health and fitness drive, and our thoughts resonate with Honorable Prime Minister's Fit India movement, a nationwide campaign that aims to encourage people to include physical activities and sports in everyday lives. On 1st July 2021, we will be celebrating our 73rd CA Day. It has been a wonderful journey of 72 long years, and as ICAI celebrates this wonderful day, apart from being an expert in taxation, audit, accounts, forensics, etc., this time we want to take a special focus on health and fitness. Hence, this Movement 73, which is going to kickstart from today till 29th of June. Our special thanks to Sangram Singh, who is a world-famed wrestler and motivation speaker, as our brand ambassador, and also Sapna Vyas, the Fit India icon and renowned fitness coach, to be our fitness ambassador. We also take pride in informing you that Fit India Mission Directorate has approved our request for using the Fit India logo in our communications and outdoor media channels for our initiative at Ahmedabad branch. We are extremely happy to share with you, sir, that there are 14 ICAI branches, all 11 from Gujarat, Goa branch, Faridabad branch, and Guwahati branch, who have joined us in this movement with registrations of more than 1,800 participants from 18 states and 122 cities of the country. And we have even few participants from overseas, including Sweden, Mauritius, and Australia. Special thanks to all the branches, to our radio partners, to our fitness experts team, and to all the core members who have been working day in and day out for this movement. Though it's a long tenure, but we promise you, sir, we won't count the days, but we'll make sure that we make the days count. We just had a brief induction session for the participants, and our team will definitely make sure that each one of them is having an enriching moment. I would just like to end with a shairi which would emphasize our commitment to work tirelessly for the profession in general and for this movement in specific. सफर की हद है वहां तक कि कुछ निशान रहे, सफर की हद है वहां तक कि कुछ निशान रहे, चले चलो यहां तक कि वहां आसमान रहे, ये क्या उठाए कदम और आ गई मंजिल, ये क्या उठाए कदम और आ गई मंजिल, मजा तो जब है कि पैरों में कुछ थकान रहे.